This build, I guess it's brown for a reason, because it should be sponsored by UPS, all the money we've spent. Next day shipping.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna open the door, Jet's gonna try to start it up, and we'll see if it'll crank right up. Pretty hard. It's not pretty good over there.
Okay, so the gas tank is out of the truck, as you can see. It was a little bit of a hard time to get off. Some of the hoses were stuck, even though I designed them to where they would like come out. Plus, it also doesn't feel like there's just 5 gallons in that tank. So I'm almost thinking there was some fuel in the tank still. So I don't know, we might have to do some calibration with our fuel gauge. But tomorrow morning we'll drop the pump in it, put all that back in, it should run again. Well, I'd say I'm the happiest I've ever been on this project. How about you?
I'm not sure I'm the happiest, but I'm pretty happy it ran.
The other thing was, I noticed the alternator was moving an awful lot, and I just thought it was that little tiny piece that we had on there just moving around, so I said we need to fix that. Turns out, you didn't even tighten the bolt, so So that fixed that problem. So now the pulley should not move around, like do what they're supposed to do. So I'd say overall it's a win day.
Anyway, we can't start it again until later tomorrow because it's so loud. There's no way we can have people working next door as loud as it is.
I think this is the only time I've ever had something that said we need mufflers on.
Definitely needs mufflers.
It's like so loud. I'm over here and like you can feel your whole shirt vibrating from the vibrations on the ground. So
okay,
but I think
I'm tired.
It's a good day.
I'm ready to go take a nap. Go rest.
Probably be a good time to do that.
Okay, see you guys tomorrow.